first whiff of the black cardamom, it almost like hits you over the head with the smoky, mentholy aroma. Stews, soups, things that are really on the stove for a while, things that, you know, you really kind of think about getting cozy, eating a bowl of. That's where I love to use black cardamom. One of my favorite dishes to use it in is my pulled pork chili, because it's pulled pork, it really would benefit from kind of like a smoky flavor. The black cardamom goes perfect in there. You have the pod that it's already in. Then you also have little tiny seeds in here that you could also benefit from cooking with as well. The flavor that it adds to your dishes, if you really allow it to just sit and mix into the stews, into the liquids for a few hours, is tremendous. I'm Ashley Ty, and today I figured I'd share with you all 6 spices that have tremendously increased the variety of flavor within my cooking.